Salvador. The San Salvador. Live footage. This whole ocean is for us. Us. The water is clear. You can see straight through it. It's warm. It's about 88 degrees here. We've done had snacks.
That's only us out here on the whole entire beach. Look at this. Look at this. This is insane. Look at the whole entire beach. The whole entire beach. It's only our crew and our team here at this whole entire beach.
I mean, how good does it get? How good does it get? Just tell me. How good is God? Well, this is how good God is. You know, I mean, He gives you a beach to yourself. I mean, who wants to be here? Everybody. But guess who gets to be here? The blessed and highly favored. Thank you.
Baby, everybody else is blessed too if they look at Jesus.
I know.
This is absolutely insane.
And we'll return tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock and we're going walking. And we're gonna go get in the water again.
All right. This is incredible. Look at this. There's nobody here but us. Shooby-dooby-doo.